The National Testing Agency has released the CUET UG 2023 application form on its official website cuet.samarth.ac.in. Candidates can fill and submit the CUET application form till March 12. The application process is completely in online mode, and candidates who wish to take the CUET UG 2023 exam must have to visit the official website of NTA. The CUET 2023 exam will be conducted in computer-based mode from May 21 to 31. In this video, we bring to you the step-by-step process to register, apply and fill the CUET UG 2023 application form. Steps to fill the CUET UG application form 2023. Step 1. Visit the official website of the NTA cuet.samarth.ac.in. Click on the Register tab on the right of the page to register for CUET UG 2023. Read the given instructions carefully before filling the CUET application form and mark the declaration and click on Click here to proceed. The registration form window will open. In the registration form, candidates have to fill in all the personal detail such as the candidate's name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, nationality and identity type. The next section is Present Address. Here, candidates have to fill their present address by providing their mail ID, mobile number and alternate mobile number. The next section is about permanent addresses. Candidates must complete this section by entering all the information. If their current address is the same as their permanent address, then candidates should click on the box. Now, candidates have to create a password which contains 8 to 13 characters and must contain one uppercase character, one lowercase character, one numeric value. Then candidates have to re-enter the password to confirm it. Then choose the security question and answer it. In the last section, you have to enter the security PIN and click on Submit to complete the registration process. Review page. Candidates should check all the details on the application form. After reviewing all the details, candidates have to verify 8 particular details given in the declaration section by making the boxes. If they wish to change any detail in the application form, then click on Edit Registration Detail. To submit the application form, then click on Submit and send OTP to mobile. After submitting the application form, an OTP will be sent to the registered mobile number. Candidates have to enter an OTP and security PIN and click on Submit button. After submitting the application form, a new window will open by showing application number, mail and SMS will be sent to candidate's mail ID and registered mobile number containing application number. To continue further, then click on Continue Application Form. Step 2. Filling the application form. Similar to the first section of the registration form, you candidates have to provide their personal details, some of which are pre-filled. After filling the personal details in the application form, candidates have to check the present address, which has been mentioned earlier in the registration form. If the candidates want to change their address, they can do so here. Next, the permanent address section will appear. If they wish to change the address, they can do so. Aspirants can simply click on the box which is given the left side of the permanent address if the permanent address is same as the present address. Candidates have to select the quota and category if they belong to any of these by selecting Yes. If not, choose No. If candidates wish to go back and make any changes in the application form, click on the Back button. To save all the details, click on Save button. Application Form Review. An application form with all the personal details will be displayed on the screen. After reviewing the application form, if candidates wish to go to the previous stage, click on Back to Dashboard. To edit the personal details, press Update Personal Form, and to move on to the next procedure, click on the Proceed to Next section. Education details. Now, candidates have to submit their education details. First, candidates have to enter their Class 10th qualification details. After this, candidates have to provide their Class 12th education details. After entering all the educational details, press back to go to the previous page or click on Save to proceed further. After selecting Save, a fully completed application form with educational details will appear on the screen. After checking the details, click on Previous section. To go back to make and changes, press Update Educational Form, and to move forward, click on the Proceed to Next section. Examination Center Selection. In this section, candidates will have to choose 2 exam centers as per their convenience. After selecting the exam centers, press Save. Double-check the exam centers candidates have been selected. To go back, click on Previous section. To go back to change any detail, press Update Examination Center Form. And to move forward, click on the Proceed to Next section. Selection of university and programs. Candidates have to select the university and program of their choice. Then, click on the Add button. If candidates wish to remove the program, they have to select, then press Remove and choose another program. Now, proceed to the next selection by clicking on University or Program Selection Preview. Review the selected program and university. To make any changes, click on the Update tab given on the top right or Update Program Form button on the bottom. Press Proceed to Next section and move forward to the next procedure. Test paper or subject selection. First, candidates have to read the rules of the selection and then check out the table to know how many subjects are required to appear in CUET UG, and candidates can also check the eligibility criteria before going further. Select Test Paper Subject Selection. Here, a candidate may choose a maximum of 10 subjects from all 3 sections as per the list of subjects given in the information bulletin. After selecting all the subjects, candidates have to check on the confirmation box and click on Save. Application Form Review Test Paper Subject Selection. Double-check the subject selection that the candidates have been selected. To go back, click on Previous sections. To change any detail, press Update Test Paper Subjects Form, and to move forward, click on the Proceed to Next section. Upload documents. Here, candidates will have to upload their photograph and signature in the specified format and size. After selecting the photo and signature, click on Start Upload to upload the document and press Cancel to remove these documents. Once candidates have uploaded the documents, press the Proceed to Preview section tab. Review the duly filled application form. Check all the details mentioned in the application form before proceeding to the payment section. Particulars to be verified. At the end of the application form, candidates have to verify some particular details by marking the box beside the given details and declaration. After verifying the details and marking the details, click on Proceed to Payment to pay the application fee. Confirm email ID. Now, candidates have to confirm their email ID by entering in the second box to confirm it. Then, enter the security PIN and press Verify. Now, a verification code will be sent on the email ID candidates have mentioned in the second box. Enter that code in the required section. After entering the verification code, press Verify. Application status. Now, a new window will appear displaying the candidates have completed the second stage of the application process and can now move on to the last stage, paying the application fee. To pay the application fee, click on the Continue. Now, all the sections of the application form with details will be displayed and candidates will have to go through them again. Check the details again and make any necessary changes if required. If all the details are correct, keep moving to the next section until candidates are on the registration payment section. Step 3. CUET 2023 Application Fee. Check the necessary details for payment. Choose the payment gateway, SBI, Canara Bank, ICICI Bank or Paytm to pay the fee. Check the amount to be paid and click on Pay Now to complete payment. Once candidate click on Pay Now, provide the required information and pay the application fee. Candidates should click on the Confirm button to get the receipt of the fee payment. Candidates should keep the receipt of fee payment safe until the complete admission process is over. After paying the application fee, click on the Download to download the application form. For more details, click on the link provided below in the description box.